Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to trim and cut footage in Adobe Premiere. I'm going to begin by showing you a simple method to trim clips, and then finish up with some more complex trims to improve your workflow. To kick things off, choose the selection tool. You can also press the V key on your keyboard. Drag your time marker to where you would like to trim your footage. Click and drag the edge of your clip to the marker. Now drag your clip back to the start of your timeline. Here's a quick tip. To save time and avoid dragging clips back and forth, there's a shortcut to achieve the same result with less clicks. To automatically fill the gap created when deleting a clip, as you hover your mouse over the edge of your clip, hold the Control key on Windows, Command key on Mac, and your cursor will turn yellow to indicate ripple delete mode. Drag the edge of the clip to your desired trim length and let go. This will ripple delete the trimmed footage and move your entire project to the left. Remember, these methods also work when trimming the end of your clips too. Next, I'm going to show you how to cut a clip. You can either click on the razor tool or press C on your keyboard. Now click in the middle of your clip to make a cut. You can then trim from the middle of your clip, much like we did earlier by reselecting the selection tool. Then drag your clip from the cut points. Remember, holding the Control key will automatically remove unwanted gaps. Additionally, if you accidentally cut in the wrong place, you can hold Control to slide your cut left and right. Lastly, if you need to delete a clip, using the Select tool, select the clip you wish to delete and press Delete on your keyboard. But again, if you want to streamline this process, hold Shift while pressing the Delete key to ripple delete the unwanted clip and slide all of your clips to the left. You are now proficient at trimming, cutting, and deleting clips in Adobe Premiere. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.